rice,
Okay.
picked for vegetable, and
Vegetable. What did you drink? Only water?
water. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You drank water. All right. Now let's check your homework. Stupid. Look at the pictures. Complete the questions with the correct superlative forms. Then answer each question. Okay. So number one example, which building is the oldest? The Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid. Number two, which baby is the youngest? Martin April. Okay, Martin April is correct. Number two or number three, which art, which athlete is the fastest? Athlete 72. Okay, correct. Number four, which cake is the best? Which cake is the best? Cake number three. Cake number three. Okay, correct. Okay, there you go. So we have four, including one. Next is number eight. So number eight. I will read letter A. Read letter B. Okay. Okay. What is there? Well, there are
Well, there
a
are lot of crust and cheese.
crackers and chips. Okay, so crackers and chips. I don't want a snack. I'm in the mood for a sandwich. Is there any bread? There's a lot of cheese in the fridge.
Let me check. Oh yeah, there's a little bread. John, can you make a cheese sandwich?
Okay, what about you?
I want some crust and cheese.
Oh, crackers and cheese. Okay, let's switch. I will read letter B and you will read letter A. Okay.
Mm,
Yeah, this one.
mm. Can you repeat it? Okay. What is there?
All right. Well, there are a lot of crackers and chips.
Mm. Oh, I do want a snack. I'm in the mood for a sandwich. Is there any bread? There's a lot of cheese in the fridge.
Let me check. Oh, yeah, there's a little bread. John, You can make a cheese sandwich.
Okay, what about you?
I want some crackers and cheese. Right, now let's check your answers. Number two or number one, are they hungry? Yes, they are. Number two, are they going to have something to eat?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Number three, are there any snacks in the cupboard?
No, they aren't.
There aren't. Okay, not in the cupboard. Okay. Number four, is there any cheese in the cupboard?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Is there? Oh, is there? Oh, no. Is there any cheese in the cupboard? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. There. Uh, here. No, there. Oh, it's so big. There isn't. What happened? So big. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Where is it? Oh,
Um,
so big. Let's make it and 10. No, there isn't. Because the question is there any cheese in the cupboard? No, there isn't. Next is number 5. Is there any cheese in the fridge? Is there any cheese in the
yes,
fridge?
there is.
Yes, there is. Okay. Capital letter Y. Yes, there is. Next, number 6. Does John does John want chips? Does John want chips?
Um,
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. He's not John. Is he going to make sandwich? Is Okay, so yes, he is. Is Penny going to have sandwich? No, she isn't. Okay, no, she isn't. All right, so Penny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 correct answers. Now let's go to number 9. Choose the appropriate response. Write a check mark. I'm starving. What do you want to eat? Number 2. I'm in the mood for something sweet. I'm in the mood for something sweet. Oh, look at this. I'm in the mood for something sweet. There are some chips in the cupboard. Oh, it should be me too. I'm in the mood for something sweet. Me too. I like sweets. All right. What is there? What is there? We have some ice cream and cookies. Number 4. Is there any cake? Is there any cake? Yes, They are. Yes, they are. Is there any cake? Yeah. Okay. Let me check. Is there any cake? There. But this is they. And are. But this is this. So this one. Let me check if there's any cake. Let me check. Let me check. Okay. Number 5. Let's have a snack. Okay. What is there in the kitchen? Okay, correct. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3. Because this is 2, this is should be A. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 5. 3 over 5. Okay, so 3 over 5. All right. Okay. Let's practice more about this. So, would like to practice your speaking skills. La, 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 la. Did you go to school? Today?
Yeah,
Oh, how many subjects do you have today? I think you have so many subjects. Are you tired today? Are you tired? At school? This is not exercises because I want you to practice speaking skills. Okay, let's listen. Let's listen this.
What school did you go to?
I went to Millennium High School, founded in 1999.
Where is the school located?
It's located in New York City, United States.
Do you like the architecture of the school?
Yes, I do. The architecture is not really impressive, but I like it that the building's architects left plenty of space for lounging.
What are the teachers like?
Most of the teachers there are helpful and friendly. I especially like Mr. Mike, my physics teacher.
How long have you spent there?
I have spent 3 years of upper secondary school there.
Is that a single-sex school?
No, it isn't. This is a unisex school.
Do you like the school uniform?
We don't wear uniforms at school, actually.
Why do you enjoy the time there?
Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload, I enjoy the relaxing atmosphere when hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there.
What important lesson did you learn from school?
I learned how to work in a group in which there are many friends coming from different cultures. That's the lesson of cooperation.
Will you recommend that school to others?
Yes, of course. I am proud to recommend Millennium High School to anyone who is searching for a good place to learn.
Okay, so let's practice. Okay, which one? Okay, there you go. I will read the questions. Okay, so I will read the questions. You will read the answers. What school did you go to?
I went to Millennium High School, founded in one um,
19,
900
1999. 1999. Okay. I will write here. Okay, so I will write 19, okay, 1999. Okay. 99. So this is how we pronounce 1999. Okay. There, there. 1999. Okay. And one more time. What school did you go to?
um,
Millennium High School. What school did you go to?
um, where is located in New York City, interstate.
Ah, United States. Again, United States. America. Do you like the the architecture of the school?
Um, yes, I do. The architecture is not really impressive, but I like it that the buildings arches left plenty of space for lounging.
Yeah. What are the teachers like?
Most of the teachers they are helpful and friendly. I especially like Mr. Mike, my physics teacher.
How long? How long have you spent there?
Um, I have spent 3 years of upper secondary school there.
Upper secondary school there. Okay. Next is that a single sex school?
No, it isn't. It is an unisex school.
Yeah, that is unisex school. Unisex school. Okay. Do you like the school uniform?
We don't wear uniform at school, actually.
Why do you enjoy the time there? Why do you enjoy the time there?
Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload, I enjoy the relaxing atmosphere and hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there.
Yes, atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere when hanging. We're hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there. Next, what important lesson did you learn from school?
Um, I learned how to work in a group in which there are so many friends coming from different cultures. That, the lesson of cooperation.
Okay. Will you recommend the school to others?
Yes, of course, I'm proud to recommend Miriam High School to anyone who is searching for a good place to live.
Yes, yes, of course. It says, yes, of course. Okay, good job. All right. Um, I will read answers. I will read answers. You're going to read the question, the questions. Okay. Mhm.
What school did you go to?
I went to Millennium High School, founded in 1999.
Where is the school located?
It's located in New York City, United States.
Do you like the entrance of the school?
Architecture. Yes, this is architecture. Yes, I do. The architecture is not really impressive, but I like it that the building's architects left plenty of space for lodging.
Um, what are the teachers like?
Most of the teachers are helpful and friendly, especially like Mr. Mike, my physics teacher.
How long have you spent there?
I have spent 3 years of upper secondary school there.
Is the a single sex school?
No, it isn't. This is a unisex school.
Do you like the school uniform?
We don't wear uniforms at school, actually.
Uh, why do you enjoy the time there?
Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload, I enjoy the relaxing atmosphere when hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there.
What important lesson did you learn from school?
I learned how to work in a group in which there are many friends coming from different cultures. That's the lesson of cooperation.
Uh, what important lesson did you learn from school?
Oh, this one. Will you? Okay, there.
Will you recommend the school to others?
Yes, of course. I'm proud to recommend Millennium High School to anyone who is searching for a good place to learn. Yeah, good place to learn. Okay. So that is a school basics. Um, let's see. I have a question. What is the most Embarrassing.
Um, I don't know.
At school? In school? Like,
Yeah.
right, in school. I see. Okay. Do you usually present a report in your class? Like presentation, uh, going to explain the the report in the class. So that I usually present a report.
Yes, yeah.
Hmm. Okay, there you go. Okay. Feel when it in front of
Um,
Are you scared? Are you shy?
I'm scared.
You're scared. Yeah. Are- You're scared to present um, the report in the class. Yeah. Okay. So it's normal. It's normal to feel nervous, nervous and scared. It's normal. But if you practice, yes, in the future, you will boost your confidence. Yeah. What would you like to collect?
I don't want to um, call it. Uh, I don't collect anything.
Oh, you like that. Yes. Uh, like me, I collect stickers. I collect I collect diamond paintings like this. Um, I collect this diamond paintings at home here. Yeah, I'm doing this many times. I like doing this. And also, I collect stickers, stickers, and um, crochet. I also collect crochet, crochet like this. I will show you. Yeah, this is I collect. Ah, right. Yeah. La, 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 la. And what makes you smile at school, at home, and happy. When I eat ice cream, it makes me happy. When I drink milk tea, it makes me happy. What about you?
I don't know.
Mm.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Hmm. Like achieve it, like eating your favorite, like eating your favorite food, like that. My favorite food is fried chicken. It makes me happy. Yeah, makes me happy too. If you could like any animal, if if you could like an animal, uh, if you could have any animal pet, which would you choose?
Um, it's a fish.
Fish. Oh, really? You want to have a fish? Oh, me too. I like fish. Yeah, like what kind of fish? There are types of fish. Um, koi fish, goldfish, yeah, pet fish, fish like this, or aquarium fish. I like goldfish. What fish do you like? Hmm. Koi and also koi fish. Koi fish and uh, goldfish. I like it. There are angel fish, red-tailed black shark fish, discus, gup, gup, guppy, tiger barb, lionhead, neon tetra, and royal gecko. Oh, so this. All right. Okay. Now let's go to your next homework. 15 to team to write your book is like team to team to. Okay, let me see. All right. I'm looking for team to team. Tree, think. Oh, which one? Okay. Mm, Oh, okay, there. Right. So your homework will be this. May trans. Okay. All right. So if you make about special friend, significant about favorite restaurant, restaurant to eat. Yeah, what's your favorite? And thing to oh, I think yes. Your favorite things to order. About your favorite restaurant and your favorite things to order. So this will be your homework. Underst Do you understand? Mom? Is it easy or difficult?
It's difficult. Uh,
It's difficult. Is it difficult?
but I can do this.
Ah, you can, but you can do it. You can do it as homework. You can do it. Oh, yeah, you can do it. This will be your homework. Okay. This is easy. Just share to me your favorite restaurant to eat. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any question? You can take a rest now. Pong, I know you are busy all day. Yes. You can. Are you going to school tomorrow? Pong, are you going to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Always take care. Goodbye for now, Pong. You can uh have a rest now. Thank you. Bye bye, Pong.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.